Yeah, look what I have today. It is a dirty devil. This thing has been sitting on my balcony for at least... I've lost count. Let's mess it up. I also have this keyboard, which, I mean, you know, it was a good keyboard, but of course the thing broke on me and I was unable to fix it. I also brought some matches. What's this say? These matches are designed specifically for dirt devils. Nice. Oh, that's an efficient way to clean a keyboard. Let's do that. Okay, what do you want to do with it? I turned it off. That's one thing about these new vacuums, they're kind of sensitive. Okay. I'm gonna just vacuum up. Okay, what else do we want to torture this thing with? It surprisingly has suction. Strong keyboard. Shame it broke on me. I'm going to toss some matches in there. Things are fusing the light. Let's vacuum them instead. See what kind of things I could vacuum up to make this thing all messed up. See, is that paper important? Okay. There you go. It's like a paper shredder. Okay. Do what you want to do with that pickaxe. Yeah, at least have some fun with it before we burn the motor out. There's a lot of open space in there. I can see the motor somewhat. overload. At least it burned up somewhat.
Yeah.
Let's see if these matches are actually defective. I got some defective matches. These things don't even want to light. Okay, did you ever find your sledgehammer?
Yeah, it's in the garage.
Okay. Let's destroy the heck out of this thing. Yeah. Ow. You're okay. There. I'll have a go. Yeah, it breaks pretty easily. My gosh, that's literally... This is not a filter, this is a sponge. My gosh, no wonder why people are getting sick on these things. I want to break this thing open, see what's inside. Okay, vacuum. Actually, this keyboard also gave me some pain when it broke when I was trying to write a cover letter. Okay, vacuum time. This plastic's pretty strong. I want to get that brush roller. And actually the pipe. That brush roller is shattering. It's always the pipes that are the strongest, the hoses. You ever noticed that?
Yeah.
Thank gosh, at least make the plastic as strong as the hoses. Let's see how durable this one is. Oh my gosh, look how dirty that filter is. That deserves to be burned. Whoops.
Yeah.
I'll try to keep the stuff in one area. Kind of missed this, smashing things. Okay, your turn.
I think I want to clean up now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hold on, I want to get finish off this hard. I do want to finish off this hard drive and this keyboard since it's already all those ants crawling all over it. Yeah, that vacuum cleaner's done for, but not these two things. At least the keyboard isn't really making much of a mess. It's just denting. Okay. Now to finish off this keyboard. I want to get the screen. Okay, that's enough with that one. I don't want to make you too much of a mess.
Yeah.
And the hard drive. Sorry if I'm digging into the ground a little.
That's fine.
They don't make them like they used to. What a strong hard drive. I want to do one more before this gets cleaned up. Okay, now it's now you're good to clean up.
Yeah.
Well, that was fun. Hey, this hard drive took a beating. I don't think it's gonna turn on now. I mean, it will, but it'll just make really weird noises. Huh. Let's look at this keyboard. This thing took a beating. It surprisingly didn't split. Okay. Would it be okay if I take a pickaxe against that hard drive? I want to see if I can try getting it open.
Yeah, that's totally fine.
Okay. Yeah, there's a good spot. Okay. Vintage broken hard drive versus pickaxe. Come on, crack open. I want to see what's inside. Let's find a harder. Is there like a harder surface like in?
There's like a concrete thing over there.
Oh, I see it.
It was originally a pad for a propane tank we had before this house was converted to natural gas.
Oh, I didn't know you had propane. I didn't know this was here.
Yeah, we had propane here before my parents moved in.
And what was, I'm guessing this was,
And the old barn pile.
yeah. Now that's better.
Yeah.
I can properly get into the thing. There's some stuff on this hard drive I want to get destroyed. Honestly, this hard drive's pretty durable. I mean, it's taking a beating against a pickaxe. Fragile. Huh. Not anymore. Come on. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm done. Look at that. Oh, wait. Never mind. Oh, no, not yet. I can see the platters. Hold on, I know how to get the platters open. It's trying to split. This might be something. What broke? Oh, I see it. Look. See the platters? Okay, let's hopefully I'm not causing too much of a racket for you.
No.
Okay, good.
I think it's open now.
Okay, good. That's the proper. Now this is how you open up a hard drive. Look at that. Oh my god! Oh, it has foam on it.
Yeah.
On this episode of What's Inside, we gently open up a hard drive to see what's inside. Oh, look at that. I always had a pain getting these open. Now for the actual platter itself. Oh, I'm getting it open more. Oh, well, look at this.
That's the platter motor.
That's what the hard drive motor looks like. And let's get it open more. This is the hardest plastic part right here. Okay, here it is. Now here, this is what the platter looks like. What a safe way to get it open. Wow. Yep, that's the inside of this old hard drive. Just one more final smash and it'll be done. One more.
Don't break the concrete pad.
Sorry.
Okay.
Okay. It's done. Here's your thing back.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And I'll take this. Wow.